Hello, lovely friends. Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe for a real quiche Lorraine. It comes right from my family's kitchen in France to your kitchen. Believe me, once you try a real quiche, you won't want the ones from the store anymore. Let's get started. First, you'll need a buttery pie crust. You can make your own, or you can buy a good one from the store. It's okay either way. Gently push it into your pie dish. Cut off any extra crust around the edges. Then poke the bottom with a fork. Put it in the fridge while we make the filling. Now, what makes a real quiche Lorraine taste so good? It's simple things. Smoky bacon, eggs, cream, and a little bit of nutmeg. The old-fashioned recipe doesn't have cheese, but if you really want to, a little bit of Gruyere cheese is nice too. Pause, wink in tone. Cut up about 150 grams of thick bacon into small bits. Then, cook it in a pan until it's golden brown and crispy. While the bacon is cooking, mix together 3 big eggs and 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream. Add a little salt, some pepper, and just a tiny bit of nutmeg. That's the secret to making it taste really French. Spread the crispy bacon all over the bottom of your cold crust. Slowly pour the creamy egg mix on top. Now it goes into the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's puffed up, golden brown, and not wobbly in the middle. Let it cool down a little before you cut it, if you can wait that long. You can eat your quiche Lorraine when it's warm or when it's cooled down. It's great with a simple green salad and maybe a glass of cold white wine. This is French food that makes you feel good, at its very best. Thanks for cooking with me today, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't yet, please click subscribe. There's always room for you at my table. Thank you, and enjoy your meal.